In this video, we will install Node.js. Node.js is needed to run our React front-end application. It also includes npm, the package manager. We will use it to install React dependencies. This is one of the easiest installations. Open your web browser. Go to nodejs.org. nodejs.org. So we have here two options to download. On the left side is the LTS version. On the right side is the latest version. The LTS version is stable, recommended version. On the right is the current version with the latest features, but it might have bugs. For our project, click the LTS version and you will get the latest version of it. So now you can scroll down and see here Windows 64-bit installer. Click on this. It will be get downloaded very quickly. You can see the progress of the download here, and once downloaded you can open your file explorer, and in the usual way of installing Windows operating system, just double click on it. Then you'll see this window. Just click on next, accept the agreement. It will be installed in the C drive and program files. Keep it default, and all the paths have been properly added. So click on next. Automatically install necessary tools. Check that checkbox. Then click on next. Install. This may take 1 or 2 minutes for the installation. So once it got installed, we can verify the installation, and while installing, if it asks for the admin rights, just click on yes for the installation and it will be installed very quickly. And then it got installed. So now you will see a window opens like this. So tools for Node.js native modules installation script. You can press any key. Just I pressed enter. So it installs with this Windows PowerShell if not already present on your computer. If it is already present, then it is fine. So this is how it looks like, installation of the PowerShell. So you can ignore these additional tools installation if you don't want to install the additional packages, but it is good to install it. And once everything is done, we can check how the node has been installed or not by going into the terminal and by typing the command node space minus minus version. And similarly, we will also verify npm space minus minus version. With that, our installation of the Node.js will be finished. So let's wait until it got finished here. So installation is going on. So just click on enter to exit. So now you can delete this if you don't want. I'm deleting it to free some space, and then go to Windows, then type cmd, and then type here node space minus minus version. So we got proper version, then npm space minus minus version. So with this we have successfully installed Node.js. Node.js and npm are ready. In the next video we will install Git for version control. See you there.